Today's video is regarding HP OfficeJet 3835 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do copy, that is a two-sided copy on a single page, and how to do the wireless printing and multiple scanning as a single document. So let's start with the copy. So load the A4 size sheets at the rear paper tray. To do the copy, open the top scanner page and place the page facing downwards on the right hand side corner. On the display panel, go and click on the copy icon. Select if you want one copy. Click on the black or color, so start black. Here we can see that it has copied on the page 1. Now to copy on the back side of this page, we have to take this page like upside down, reverse it and load it in the paper tray again. Open the top scanner lid and place the page facing downwards, the second page. Close the lid and click on the copy again. So here we can see that copy has been done. So that is on the page 1 and page 2. To do the wireless printing and scanning, we can use two methods. We can connect this printer with the Wi-Fi network of our home and add the printer in our device, or we can do the Wi-Fi direct setup. So I'll show you the Wi-Fi direct setup now. Go to the touch screen display panel and click on the Wi-Fi direct icon, which is the second icon at the row, and look for the status. Here is the name of the printer and its password. So you just have to make sure it's on. Go back, go to your iPhone and open the Wi-Fi setting. In the Wi-Fi, look for the direct HP OfficeJet 3830 series. Now enter the password as it was displayed on the display screen and click on the join button. Open the HP Smart app. You can download it if you don't have from the App Store. Click on the plus button on the top. The name of the printer will be displayed again here and click on that. So it will automatically add up the printer. Let's do the wireless printing. So look for the print document section. Open any file and click on the print button and confirm that it's the printer and click on print. Here we can see the print has arrived. So that's the page here. So this way we can do the wireless printing. So let's do the wireless scanning, that is the multiple pages as a single PDF file. So go to the app and open the printer scan. To do multiple scannings, we use the top feeder tray. So open the top feeder tray and so you have to place the pages like this and click on the scan button. So it will take all the pages one by one and it will transfer the images here. And here we can see the file. So both pages are available, and if you want you can add more pages. If you have forgot that, just click on the plus button and add more pages there and click on the save button here. Here you get the option, you can change the name of the file, you can change the format to PDF and the size, and then click on the save button. It will take you to the next screen where on the next screen you can select the folder where you want to save it, and then it will be saved automatically there. So overall I can say this printer is really efficient, it's fast for the wireless printing and scanning, and it's good to do copy as well. Thanks for watching.